Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, glad to see you again in my channel. Today I'm having a breakfast. It's Indonesian breakfast that we call it Lontong Sayur. What is Lontong Sayur is actually a kind of rice cake and with special coconut gravy mixed with chayote. Chayote is a kind of vegetable, like I don't know in other country. In Asia, usually it's very easy to find at the vegetable market. If in your country you cannot find this chayote, you can replace it by young papaya, or you can replace with other vegetable, for example like long green bean, or you can also use jackfruit, or you can also use cabbage. So actually any kind of vegetable will do, but typical from Jakarta, this recipe is using kayat. It is very easy to prepare because it's a kind of one pot cooking. Like you can boil the water, and then you can put all the ingredient to the pot until it's boiling. And then when it's boiling, you can add the coconut milk, and you can add the coyote as the last ingredient that you put into the pot, and then you mix it for like about 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and then you turn off the heat and just let it sit for a while before you serve it. The simple things about Indonesian food. Usually, we don't like to have a very precise measurement of all the ingredients. For example, like water, you can estimate how much water you need. For example, if it's only for 2 people, for example, you can just use, I think, about 1 liter of water, and then also the coconut milk. In this recipe, I'm using about 100 milli of coconut milk, not too thick because I love the light gravy, not too thick, not too rich. Uh, and this is typical from my region in Jakarta for this kind of. Beside the main ingredient that I have already mentioned earlier, actually this time I have some stock of beef skin crackers that I love to put into this recipe. Beside beef skin crackers, you can actually also add the other ingredient, for example tofu, or you can also put some potato maybe. You can also put a boiled egg, hard boiled egg. You can also put some beef or chicken in the recipe. So this is actually up to you. Here I'm using instant rice cake that is available in the supermarket or Asian supermarket. I just boiled it, this rice cake, until it's boiling and it's become hard. Then I remove it from the water because I don't have much time to make this traditional or original rice cake. In Indonesia, usually originally this rice cake wrapped in banana leaf and then it is boiled in the long time, maybe about like 1 or 2 hours. But this instant rice cake or instant ketupat is very practical for me because usually it takes only like half an hour or maximum 1 hour. It's depend on of the capacity of your stove. In my home city in Jakarta, this kind of food or lontong sayur actually you can find easily on the street as a street food for breakfast, and it's really very practical for people who live in Jakarta and who doesn't want to cook and who doesn't want to be busy in the morning, then just go out and find this food easily. Okay, now we start to prepare the rice cake. We cut it and then we remove the plastic and then we put it on the plate. And afterward we prepare to put everything on the bowl or on the plate. This time this is my lontong sayur that has been ready. The beef skin cracker has already soft, and also I put some boiled egg inside also, and I also prepare some sambal or chili sauce, Indonesian chili sauce, and other thing is I also prepare fried shallot or bawang goreng as the condiment. my lontong sayur is ready to enjoy. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you again in my next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.